owners, in this video, we are going to discuss the benefits of WhatsApp AI Assistant one by one. But first, let me show you how this assistant is actually going to reply to your customers in real time 24/7. And then we are going to discuss the benefits and the software that is going to help you to create this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills. Let me show you how this assistant actually works. So this is the WhatsApp AI assistant that I have created, and my first question towards this AI assistant is, what payment methods do you accept? So this is the most usually asked question that I receive on my WhatsApp through my customers. So that is why I'm asking this question, and you can see instantly I have received the reply from the AI assistant saying, we accept these payment methods of cards, net banking, UPI wallets. I have received this reply right here. Similarly, I have a different type of question, that is, which dresses do you have for beach vacation? So I have this next question that is going to tell me a little more different about the business. Okay, so this is a different category of the question. I've received a reply for a beach vacation. I have a great option, that is summer maxi dress. You can see I've received this reply. I will ask one last question towards this assistant. Let's see whether I received the reply or not for that. Can you recommend an outfit for a casual office look for a man? I'm asking for a recommendation now. Now let's see how the assistant is going to handle this situation as well. I have asked 3 different types of questions from this assistant. For the recommendation, I have received a formal shirt. I've received the pricing, size and everything. Pair it with this jeans, and optional add-on is the leather belt. You can see I've received this nice recommendation from the assistant as well. You will see the replies that I'm receiving from the assistant was very quick. With that, the format of each and every reply is very formal, very professional, and as the lead is receiving the replies on point and on time, this lead can be converted into a paid customer if they like any of the options from this recommendation. So this is how this assistant is actually going to handle all the queries that it will receive 24/7 on WhatsApp. No one is typing the answers this quickly. No one is hired to do this job. Only one software is hired, with the help of which we have created this assistant that is automatically replying to all the queries. So this is how WhatsApp assistant looks and how it is going to handle your business questions as well. Now I will tell you few more benefits about AI assistant in brief one by one. So now let's discuss the benefits. The first benefit is that it's very easy to create. The assistant that I just showed you how it is going to work is very easy to create. You don't have to know any of the technical coding or programming skills. You don't have to be from a technical background. You just need one very easy software. Using the software, just follow some of the steps and your entire assistant creation is going to be done. My second benefit that we are discussing is save a lot of time and money. Now, if you're hiring an entire team that is going to handle the WhatsApp queries one by one, you have to pay them salaries every single month. With that, as there are humans working on this, there are high chances that you are going to miss out on many of the messages. There are going to be wrong replies sent. So instead of that, you can create this assistant for once and all the queries on WhatsApp will be resolved. My third is that it can quickly reply to the customers. You just saw in the video that I've showed you before that it's replying my queries automatically, instantly. As soon as I've asked the question, instantly I've received the reply. So this is how assistant is on point. I don't have to take in a fixed time like from 10 to 6 only my team is going to reply. No, this assistant is going to reply day and night even when you are sleeping. My fourth point is that it answers like a real human. You saw the format of the reply that I've received. It was very professional. It was very simple, understandable. Any human can easily understand the query, and it was very formal and pleasant looking. So you can see the replies were human like. It was not looking that an AI has replied. It was very simple and easy to understand. And the fifth point is you don't need an entire team, which I actually said to you. You don't need an entire team. I will give you an additional benefit, that is this assistant can reply in any languages, whether someone is asking the question in Hindi, in Spanish, in French, any languages, they will receive the same language reply to that query. Okay, so these are the amazing benefits that if you create an AI assistant, a WhatsApp AI assistant for your business as business business owners you will receive. Now, without wasting any time, let us discuss about the software with the help of which you can create this AI assistant super easily. That is Pabbly Chatflow. Now, Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing software with the help of which you can manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business super easily and efficiently. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create AI assistant without need of any technical coding and programming skills. Create the assistant by just completing 4 steps, and even with Pabbly Chatflow, you can add that WhatsApp AI assistant on your website as well. You can customize the interface of that AI assistant. With that, you can select the type of AI assistant that you want. It's very simple, very easy to create. If you want to learn how you can create the AI assistant from first step inside Pabbly Chatflow, I've attached the video in the description section as well. This AI assistant is not just going to understand text, it is going to understand the images, it is going to understand the voice messages that your customers is going to send towards the AI assistant. If you want to also access Pabbly Chatflow and want to start using Pabbly Chat, search on a new tab www.pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page just like this. Now, if you want to test out Pabbly Chatflow, how it is working, what are the features, you want to learn about each and everything of Pabbly Chatflow, sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can test out Pabbly Chatflow and check out how it's working in real time. Okay, now let's discuss one more thing, that is the pricing of Pabbly Chatflow. Instead of hiring an entire team and paying salary to every single employee, you can purchase Pabbly Chatflow's one-time plan. So these are the one-time plans of Pabbly Chatflow that you can see on the screen. You don't have to pay the subscription bill for every single month. Buy the subscription plan from here for once and you will get the service of Pabbly Chatflow with that. Now over here, these are the one-time plans that we offer to you. Over here you can see these are the 4 types of plan that we have currently, and I will suggest you to purchase our unlimited max lifetime plan. Using this plan, you will get 1 lakh credits every single month, and these are the benefits that you will receive right here with all the one-time plans. Now you can see currently we have existing discounts going on each and every one-time plan. You can see it's not that expensive. You don't have to pay every single month like you have to do it with your employee. Just buy this plan once and create the assistant for your WhatsApp right away. Now you can see the existing discounts are going on each and every single plan. It's very cost efficient, you can see. With that, I can give you additional discounts on the purchase. The coupon code that you can see on the right side of my screen will help you to get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans of Pabbly Chatflow. Go ahead, use the code while checking out on any of the plans that you can see on the screen and you will get instant discounts. With that, if you want discounts on our yearly plan of Pabbly Chatflow, we provide yearly plans as well. The same coupon code is going to work there as well. So go ahead, create the assistant. If you want to learn the entire step of how you can create the assistant, check out the video in the description section. I've added it right there. Use the code for purchasing the Pabbly Chatflow's yearly or lifetime plan and go ahead, purchase our plan, create the assistant for your WhatsApp. So this was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubts related to Pabbly Chatflow, comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.